Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I am doing the empties video, but let's say it's gonna be my final empties of 2022. So may as well get rid of some of these empties, start refreshing within the new year, because let's dive on in. Because I'm getting pretty full again. I have a little basket here I keep in my bathroom. It's full, and then I also got my other basket here as well. Have makeup, random other stuff. It's not as full as this one, but this one's more fuller. Again, it's a lot of hair care, skincare, all sorts of things. Okay, so the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Smoothing Shampoo is empty. Again, I really enjoy the Briogeo line for hair care. I have picked up a Monday's drugstore-ish. I don't know. I'm hoping it's more like Briogeo in a way. I emptied, again, my Inky-less Folic Acid Brightening Cleanser. I highly recommend this one. Type thing. It's my go-to. My Elmer's Cleansing Micellar Water. I like using this in the morning to quickly wash my face in the morning type thing. As a cleanse, or when I'm not on days where I'm wearing makeup, use this as a dab for my face type thing. Hand soap. The J.R. Watkins hand soap in Ocean Breeze. If you're hearing clicking noise, I just turn off the fireplace. Because it's also got really warm in my suite. I have an empty of the Beauty Blender Cleanser Solid. There's a little bit left, not enough to splurge out, so I might as well just get rid of it. The Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Conditioner. The Pharmacy 10% MC Night Mask. I'm going to be picking up this again when I get a chance to get to the store. It won't be anytime soon. The Codaline Be Imperfect Essence. Really like this stuff. I must open up another one not that long ago. And the Pharmacy Green Clean Multi Cleansing Balm. Empty. Really enjoy this stuff. I'm doing the trio pack, the holiday pack that they bring out. Yeah, I think this one looks like blueberry, strawberry, I think. I don't know. On to the next. This one is not as bad as it normally gets, but again, I think I do both. Well, it works, but every 2 months roughly I do an empties, because I have to say there's about two months worth of Halo. There's going to be another one empty here soon. I'll let you guys know a bit about this one as well, because I have 4 days left of it. Probably would have been empty by now, but there's a few days where I missed some days in the morning, taken in the morning. So yeah, Halo. The anti-aging booster. Restore, prevent ageless anti-aging, collagen generation, rose collagen formulations. Smooth skin. And then the Halo purse. And then the HSM. So if you want to try, my recommendation, if you want to try Halo, you're not too sure which one to try, the Kiwi is really good if you want to focus on skin. but I have not tried kiwi. I can't have kiwi because I'm slightly allergic to kiwi. I always want to try kiwi. But if you want all above, kiwi is just focused on skin. You want all above, the HSN, the hair, skin, and nails. This one I've been taking for like 3-4 years now, or 3 years. I can't remember. I've been taking it for some time now. So, like my hair grows fairly fast. My nails will recover quickly. Type thing. I keep them actually momentarily like short, especially this time of year, because I'm the guilty one of using my fingers as tools, or sometimes they'll get too long and then I end up murdering them at work. And they're Her Daily. I also recommend the Her Daily as well. It's my go-to. Like I highly I think I talked about this like several times on my channel already. I did a deep dive on it as well. And then the Immunity Booster Support. I love this stuff. Love it, love it, love it. I'm waiting for it to come in stock again. Hoping it comes in stock too. I prefer berry flavor because it's sugar-free immune support. It also has the electrolytes. So the electrolytes comes in handy. Like I'll drink this even in the summertime when it's like almost like 40 degrees out. And also I'll take it when I'm like sick. It's really good. It's like very good. And then you can see all the ingredients and everything in it, type thing. It's all there. How much there is. It's no hidden formula. Like, and the bottle itself is like elegant. Like, I got Her here. This is the anti-aging one here. I don't have the HSN in front of me. Oh, no, maybe I do. I'm using it for something else. Oh, it's over there. I actually have it here on hand. I actually use bottles. This is something else too. Bring it back. There's my HSN right there. And this is the HSN bottle here, like the Halo family. I take the HSN one in the evening before I go to bed and things. So yeah, let's dive in to the rest. All this Halo stuff has never been sponsored by me. Never been sponsored. Taki doesn't even know who I am. Type thing. So yeah, other than like her engaging and us engaging on tweets and all that stuff, yeah. More than that, I'm a huge supporter of her too. So the Kirkland wipes, 2 of those. Fix Plus, I got a new one of this type thing. Stay all over alcohol. I really enjoy this stuff lately. And it's very rare. Again, I think it's, I've been panning my bronzers lately, so I emptied the Maybelline Age Rewind eraser in the shade Neutralizer. I knew in that. Then I emptied my Totally Toffee by Maybelline. Oh, 2 Maybelline products. And then the Fenty Beauty Cream Bonza. That's pretty much empty, so yeah. I like using, by the way, I think it's this one right here. I use these bottles. This one I got sand in it from Australia. One of these on it in Australia. So yeah, that is my empties for the year. Let's all start off clean and fresh and brand new. So yeah. I post 2 videos. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday at 10 a.m. PST. Don't subscribe and don't ring bell. And by the way, what item was your... Oh yeah, I was like, forgot to mention, throw in, I'm pretty much empty myself. I mean, I don't know, wait, no, yeah. So, what item was your most emptied product of the year?